Welcome to a very special Power Nation, as my guest will be Bars League's Bobby Janik to talk about a new sweepstakes that you can enter. It's all about keeping your ride alive. Welcome back to the studio.
Thank you, Katie. It's amazing to be back here with you.
So what's been going on since we last hung out?
I've been traveling around the country, talking about Bars Leagues, going to different events, car shows. It's been amazing. Well,
Power Nation is excited to announce that we will be partnering with Bars Leagues on a sweepstakes. More on that in just a bit. But hey, Bars Leagues has been around for 70 years.
70 years. Back in 1947, Fred Barton discovered a unique ingredient that was actually able to stop radiator leaks from inside the radiator. He got a patent on it, and the rest is history. By 1950, that product was actually on the market. It sold in little glass bottles. By 1952, all major OEMs were using the product on their assembly line, which is still in play today. So with all that years of experience and cutting edge technology, Bars Leagues definitely has a solution for your leak.
$10,000, Bobby. What's it all about?
Katie, this is really a give back to the users of Bars Leagues products. It's essentially a thank you for their support over the years. With a chance to win 10 grand, right? The idea is if they have an older car, we want to keep their ride alive. Imagine what you would do if you won $10,000 to...
Yeah. All the things.
All the things, right? New tires, new sound system, probably pink fuzzy dice for you, right?
And if you have a new car, this is that perfect opportunity to bring in some of those bells and whistles that maybe you didn't have initially.
Right.
So how can someone enter to win?
All they got to do is enter at barsleaks.com or PowerNationTV.com. There's absolutely no purchase necessary to enter. So to give you guys an idea what to do with the 10 grand if you win it, we asked the Power Nation host what they would do.
Now, if I was to win 10 grand, what would it be?
Well, as everybody knows, I'm a big fan of sleeper cars, ones that are really fast, that look like they're stock. So I would take all my money and invest it in the drivetrain. Engine, transmission, and rear end. Nothing on the looks of the car.
I would spend 10 grand on 110 axles, and they would probably be junkyards so that way I could rebuild them and still have money left over for suspension, and stock so I could build a roll cage.
I'd do a spring over axle swap, so solid front axle up front.
Shocks.
Man, I don't know.
One thing, I'd have to do body and paint. I'd have to do upholstery. That's the stuff I love. But I think I would have a one-off custom set of wheels made, designed by me. So they're one-offs, nobody else has them. That'd probably eat up a lot of that money.
Probably a new set of wheels and tires, some nitrous to help rub the new off of them. Heck, I might even be able to swing in a small block Chevy or something. Man, it feels good to wish.
My goodness, those are some fantastic ideas.
Sometimes you just got to ask the pros.
Well, friends, that's all we have for you today. But remember, sign up for the Bars Leagues Keep My Ride Alive sweepstakes.
All you have to do is enter barsleaks.com or PowerNationTV.com. There's no purchase necessary.
You literally just sign up. Bobby, thanks so much for coming in again.
Katie, thanks for having me. It was awesome.
I'm Katie Osborne. This is Bobby Janik. We'll see you next time right here on Power Nation.